to lesson 6. This time we learned. Okay, this I seriously want to change. Last time wasn't. It was hard. It was hard, but not the hardest. This was the hardest. It's not verb. It became adjective. To like a lot of adjective. Like how do you say, valuable, big, small, dirty, clean, practical, and many emotional words like boring, amused, yeah, and old and new. There were a lot. Yeah, this time we learned about what we want to have, like what we want. And want in French was voudrais, which I really don't like. Voudrais. Since it's voudrais, when we say vous, like you, it's voudrais, which is kind of confusing. And voudrais, it seriously took time for me to remember the voudrais, because it was pretty new to me. Yeah, this time a lot of new words. Like, not even adjective, even the nouns, it was kind of new. And voiture is car, and we kind of use that a lot. So voiture. And vélo was not new because we did vélo for cycling, and yeah, vélo. And unimoto, which is motorcycle, and unimaison. No, unimaison. Maison is house, like house. And if it's apartment, I think it's appartement. And cat is un chat, and dog is un chien. And golden fish is un poisson rouge. And I think poisson is fish and rouge is red, so red fish. And un ordinateur is personal computer. And game video, like video games, are une console de jeux vidéo. And by this time, I remember jeux vidéo, of course, but I couldn't remember console. It sounds like console in Japanese, but it's a bit different, yeah. So, yeah, uniconsole. I don't think I don't think I can remember it. Console. Okay. And also television, une television, and tablet like iPad is une tablet. Oh, these are the new nouns. Yeah, I knew chien and chat because I learned them in the last French class. And une maison and yeah, une maison. But else it was pretty new. And an ordinateur is one I can't remember because personal computer, an ordinateur is pretty different. Yeah. So an ordinateur is maybe the hardest one I can't remember my years. But I think I'm getting better because une voiture, I kind of remember it instantly. And yeah, others like une tablette on television, even though it's kind of similar, I was able to remember it. And the new adjectives are cher, petit, grand. Okay. Cher is kind of valuable. Petit is small. Grand is big. Sale is dirty. Propre is new. Or clean. Clean. Propre. And pratique is practical. And ennuyeux is boring. And amusant is amused. And the vieux is kind of old. And neuf is new. And brilliant is kind of like get lost or something like that. And this time we learned numbers from 30 to 90, and I don't think French way of counting is not good because it's seriously hard. 30 is trente. I think that's okay. And 40 is quarante. And 50 is cinquante, which is, I think that makes sense too. And 60 is soixante, and that's okay, but 70 is soixante-dix, which is 60, 10, 70. Yeah, it's 70, but seriously, so, and 71 is, so like 73 is soixante-treize, 60, 13. 73. Yeah, we have to do those mathematics things. And for 80, it doesn't really make sense because it's quatre-vingt. No, I mean quatre-vingt, which is 40, 20. Now we're not adding, we're just multiplying. Yeah, it's weird. And 93 is quatre-vingt-treize, which is 40, 20, 13. 40, 20, 13 is 80. Okay, multiply 80, 13, so 93, like that. So I don't think it's the best way to count, but since they're following those rules, I think I have to remember them too. But like cinquante, soixante, quatre-vingt, trente. They don't have like rules, but at least it's more easier to remember for me. And we learned those special days like Noel and anniversaire. Anniversaire is birthday and Noel is Christmas. Yeah. Oh, the way we ask is like, what do you want for Christmas is qu'est-ce que vous voudrez avoir en Noël? Oh, pour Noël, sorry. Pour Noël. And so, as I said before, if the two verbs are together, the first one changes, the second one doesn't change. So, voudrais doesn't change, but avoir, which is have, if it's vous, it should change to avez, but it doesn't change because the two verbs. Yeah. And the way we answer is je voudrais avoir blah blah blah, like un poisson rouge, un chat, un chien, une maison, anything. Oh, and this can be used as what do you want? No, I mean like what do you have? Like, vous avez une chat? No, I mean un chat is do you have a cat? And if I say non, je n'ai pas de chat, then the person can ask, vous voudrez avoir un chat? And I will say oui. Je voudrais avoir un chat because I like cats. Like that. It can kind of create kind of communication between the person and I. This time was pretty hard because like there were a lot of words and adjective kind of appeared, and adjective is not that easy to remember. Like I had to use dictionary a lot because I couldn't remember at the first place. So after that, I was like looking at the words, searching them in the dictionary. It has picture, but it doesn't. Yeah, it's not that working. So. Oh, and we didn't analyze, but we kind of read the advertisement in French, and which is chaque en 60,000, which is 60,000 chiens et chats sont abandonnés parce qu'ils sont sales ou bruyants, which is 60,000 cats and dogs are abandoned because they became old or they became boring. Sale or bruyant, so it became old, dirty, and boring. Yeah, which is kind of cool. But we looked at that advertisement and we kind of figured out the percentage, and yeah, we talked about the global issues about dogs and cats. Well, we couldn't talk deeply because we don't know much French, but at least that bit. Yeah. And I guess this is the end of Unit 2. So we finished those I want stuff. I like, I want, I do. And next, I guess we're going to... I don't know. I can't read French, so yeah. But by just looking at the textbook, we're doing directions like north, west, east, south, and we're doing countries like la France, le Québec, la Russie, and we're also doing the famous places and countries. Like there's l'Opéra de Sydney, like, you know, the cool, amusing, beautiful building in Sydney, opera, and yeah, those ones. Temple. Oh, there's Mount Fuji, so there's Japan too. And there's also Statue of Liberty, which is said La Statue de la Liberté. Okay. And Eiffel Tower, la Tour Eiffel. And Mount Fuji is Le Mont Fuji, which is same kind of. And Colosseum in Greek, I think, is Le Colisée. So I guess we're doing something about those vacation. I'll try to improve my ears. I hope I can improve my ears. I seriously want to improve my ears till the, not next lesson, but at least before finishing chapter 3, because that's the next unit. Thank you.